आपके डिम्पल्स एडिक्टिव हैं, आप कॉफ़ी का ऐड करते हो तो कैफीन एडिक्टिव है, कॉकटेल करती हैं तो वो एडिक्टिव है और आपकी स्माइल एडिक्टिव है। तो शर्मिली होना ये तो बहुत अच्छे गुण माने जाते हैं इंडिया में, मतलब सभी लोग ऐसी बहू चाहते हैं और मेरे ख्याल आपके ससुराल वाले काफ़ी खुश रहेंगे आपसे।
That's a compliment that you're giving me, then I'd give my parents the credit for that.
बस ससुराल वालों के लिए तैयार हैं आप?
बिल्कुल नहीं।
कितना साल?
कितने साल मैंने इसके बारे में भी सोचा नहीं है। मैं फ़िलहाल सिर्फ अपने काम पे फोकस कर रही हूँ।
दीपिका, जैसे इन लोग की जो क्लाइंट्स हैं वो कई आपकी कंटेम्प्रेरी एक्ट्रेसेस भी हैं, तो आप अपने आप को उनसे अलग करने के लिए क्या कर रही हैं? क्योंकि आजकल हम देख रहे हैं काफ़ी आप एडिक्टिव चीज़ें कर रही हैं, क्या आप सबको अपना
एडिक्टिव
एडिक्ट
चीज़ें?
बनाना चाहती हैं? जैसे आपके डिम्पल्स एडिक्टिव हैं, आप कॉफ़ी का ऐड करते हो तो कैफीन एडिक्टिव है, कॉकटेल करती हैं तो वो एडिक्टिव है और आपकी स्माइल एडिक्टिव है। तो क्या आपने लोगों को ये सोचा है कि बाकी सबसे एक्ट्रेसेस से इस तरह से लोगों को या दर्शकों को खींच लेंगे अपनी तरफ?
नहीं, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है। अ, मैं हमेशा अपने काम पे फोकस करती हूँ और अपने काम पे ध्यान देती हूँ। तो अगर मैं पूजा के पास जाती हूँ या यास्मीन के साथ मैं वर्कआउट करती हूँ, आई डोंट we never discuss their other clients, we don't discuss what their routine is, because like she said, everybody's body type is different. Everybody's body reacts to a different workout, different diet. And honestly, like I said, जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, I'm only interested in bettering myself every day with everything that I do, whether it's a film, whether it's my diet, whether it's my workout, whether it's my body. It's about bettering myself. I'm not really competing with anybody else.
आपके कैरेक्टर वेरोनिका में शी इज़ वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट गर्ल ना, पर रियल लाइफ में आप काफ़ी सोच समझ के और बड़ी शर्मीली सी लड़की हैं, तो इसमें बुराई क्या है? मतलब अगर ऐसे होना है तो ज़रूरी है कि कॉन्फिडेंट होना ज़रूरी है?
कॉन्फिडेंट होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बट I mean, you can't relate it to Veronica. They're two completely different things. But if I'm like Meera personally, that doesn't mean I'm not confident. Everybody has different personalities, and I personally am like Meera from Love Aajkal. That's more the kind of person that I am. Everybody has shades of Veronica, but I'm primarily Meera. But there's nothing wrong in being the person that you are. Forget being like me. I think there's nothing wrong in being the person that you are. But I just believe in being confident. Whatever you do, just do it with confidence.
पर ये जो ट्रेड्स हैं आपके कि सोच समझ के और शर्मीली होना, ये तो बहुत अच्छे गुण माने जाते हैं इंडिया में, मतलब सभी लोग ऐसी बहू चाहते हैं और मेरे ख्याल आपके ससुराल वाले काफ़ी खुश रहेंगे आपसे।
Thank you. I think I would give इस जो आप कह रहे हैं, मैं उसका क्रेडिट मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को दूंगी, because they've given me this upbringing, and even today they are the people who keep me grounded. So if that's a compliment that you're giving me, then I'd give my parents the credit for that.
बस ससुराल वालों के लिए तैयार हैं आप?
बिल्कुल नहीं।
कितना साल?
कितने साल मैंने इसके बारे में भी सोचा नहीं है। मैं फ़िलहाल सिर्फ अपने काम पे फोकस कर रही हूँ।
Already looked very, very good. So what made you think you wanted to work on your body further? You had fabulous curves. But what was it that prompted you to?
Um, First of all, good afternoon, everyone. I think for me it was a combination of wanting to do something for myself, but also the timing of when Cocktail, the film, was offered to me. I remember reading the script and reading Veronica's character and realizing that for the kind of body language that she's going to have and for the way Anaita wanted to style me for the film, I realized that I had to be super, super fit. And I know a lot of people are going to say, but you're already athletic, you've already been really fit, so why? I personally felt like that I could do a lot more with my body. And I think fine-tuning is the right word. And these two women here today are very, very instrumental in the way I look, not just in the movie, but even the way I feel today and the way I look. Pooja for my diet. Again, I'm used to eating, I love eating, but she's managed to give me this beautiful diet where I don't feel like I'm not eating. She's still managed to give me everything that I love eating, but at the same time, it's managed to tweak and tone my body. And with Yasmin, we started Pilates and functional training. So I feel like there's a lot of definition that she brought to my body, which maybe, I don't know if people have noticed, but it's something that I feel, and it gives me a lot of confidence. So I give them a lot of credit for that.
One.
A cocktail, yeah, the best of everyone. A cocktail of slim, calm, and sexy. I think the amount of running around you all do, that fitness is more than enough. No, but I think if you all can manage to do, I don't know, they'd be the right people to answer this, but I would personally think maybe if you can even do just a 20 or 30 minute like a brisk walk around your building somewhere, or if there's a gym close by. Even basic things like, you know, if you work in an office, if instead of taking the lift, just use the staircase. Or if your office is close by, maybe you can walk to work. You know, these are ways of maybe of saving time, but also, you know, you're kind of doing your workout, but at the same time it's practical. And if you can take 1 hour off and do a proper workout, and if you can tell your boss that for you is very important, that will be great.
You know how many days of exercise is good enough in a week, and what is the trend that one should follow? One is movement.
Okay, first of all, I don't believe in the amount of time. I know a lot of people will spend 2 hours, 3 hours in the gym and actually do nothing. You can go into the gym for half an hour and do a really effective workout. Again, so I think it depends on your body type and what you're trying to achieve. If you're someone who's trying to lose weight, then I think 5 times a week, 5 to 6 times a week. Because if you aim for 6, you're going to do 4 or 5. Unless you're really dedicated like me, of course. Then maybe you'll go 6 times a week. But yeah, I think 5 to 6, because your body also needs time to rest, to recover. And if you're maintaining, I think 3 to 4 times a week. But what is important is how effective your workout is.
Hi, good evening everyone. Sangamitra, can I ask each of them, the stunning ladies, a question?
Absolutely.
I start.
We need to ask them if they
I
are
just want to
comfortable.
congratulate you first of all.
Thank you.
लग रहा है कि फिल्म हिट है आपके चेहरे से, दमकते हुए चेहरे से.
I'm very happy with, I mean, I've always wanted a film to have critical acclaim as well as box office success, and finally for me, after Love Aajkal, this has happened, so I'm really happy.
Me too for you.
Thank you.
Okay.
I ate your chocolate, by the way. Don't tell her though.